Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the July Glow Starter subscription box from MaskTime. This is a monthly mask subscription box. This is the $9.95 box, I believe. This time it actually came in this holographic little bag, which I actually prefer over the box. Actually, I don't know if this would be recyclable or not, whereas a box would be. I'm not too sure. Whatever's going to be best for the environment, I would prefer. But this is the July one, and it has 4 face masks. Yeah, 4 face masks inside. Let's see what these goodies are this month. If you are new here, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up. I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays at 6 o'clock UK time. If you hit that notification bell button, you shouldn't really miss any of my uploads. But let us get straight into the Korean face masks. First up is the Juicy Green Tea Mask, and this retails for £3. It's a highly moisturising sheet mask which will take away any dry, sun-damaged skin and soothe it back to vitality. It has green tea and shea butter inside. Next up, which looks like a little Instagram icon, this is the No Filter Moisturising Mask, and this retails for £4.50. It says that it's a moisturising sheet mask. Take endless selfies whilst on holiday, knowing that your skin will be glowing. And it has allantoin, arinca montana flower, and something lutein root. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that. So it looks like you get this little part here, and you pop that around your eyes, and you can see the little picture here, and then you put the sheet mask, which is the step 2 down here, on the face for 10 to 20 minutes. So I'm excited. I'm going to do some face mask Fridays with these because my sheet mask collection is just getting so big now. I'm so excited to try these out. This one I'm not too sure about trying because I have reacted to aloe before, but only typically when my pores are open, so it might not be too bad this one, but I'm not too sure. This is the Airy Fit Sheet Mask, and this retails for £3. It's 100% natural ingredients, including the fresh cold brew method, which allows for active ingredients to penetrate into your skin to get you healthier and more revitalised skin. It has aloe and hyaluronic acid in it, which your skin will love. And then last but certainly not least is the Lab For You Juice Up Kale Mask. This retails for £4 and it's best for anti-stress, which I need, anti-redness as well. It's packed full of vitamins and nutrients, a healthy mask which helps to keep troubled skin at bay. It has witch hazel and Brassica oleracea. I don't have a clue. Basically kale, also known as kale it says, which helps to revitalise skin and it acts as an antioxidant as well. I will learn how to pronounce things in a video one time. Honestly, it is 20 past 10. I need to go to bed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe and check out MaskTime. I'll leave a link down below. And I hope you see you in my next one. Like I said, I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays, 6 o'clock UK time. Goodbye. Bye, Felicia. Bye, Felicia.